Is July 15th, and you can see the S&P is up right now, and so is the NASDAQ. So last week, I said I would take profits at 5:30 in the morning on July 11th. July 11th at 5:30 was up way up here, and so I took money off the table, and then it opened up a little bit lower than where it was, and then profit takers continued to come in. I believe there would have been more profit taking based on the fact that on Friday earnings news came out on some of the banks, which I didn't think would be favorable, and it was not. So, in theory, the market would have dropped further on that, but we got surprising news that interest rates may cut twice instead of just once. So, based on the fact that interest rates may be cut twice, the market immediately rose. That was Friday morning on July 12th, and it skyrocketed back up. And then profit takers came back in, so some of that money came off the table. And then uh, I'm not saying it's a good thing. I'm just saying because Trump was shot, it's almost solidified he would win the election, and that the stock market would go up based on the idea of Trump being president. So the stock market shot right back up, and profit takers have come back in. Where the money was leaving was anything clean energy, because Biden is clean energy and Trump is perceived not to be clean energy. So anything clean energy probably was tanking today, and anything in S&P, Dow, Nasdaq is all probably climbing first thing on this morning due to the president's assault. Not getting, if he had died, that would be a completely different thing. You probably would have seen the market tank, but this almost helps Trump win this election, and based on that theory, the market immediately took off. And now profit takers are coming right back in. So that's where you're at. Even the S&P did the exact same thing. Profit taking came in. So the market dropped all day Thursday on that news. And then rate interest came up Monday or Friday morning, even though earnings report were poor for some of the banks, it still went shooting right up. Profit takers came back, and then again, Trump being attempted assault there jumped the market first thing in the morning. So that's what's going on with the S&P right now. I personally took money out, looking to take a few weeks off, expecting a slower July, and then buying back.